In this video, we'll make LED meshes and bake normals for them. For now, let's create LED meshes. First, disable shape key and multi-res in viewport. Then duplicate move mesh 3 times and move duplicates to the side. Then we'll need to apply multi-resolution, add it back, and unsubdivide meshes on different level. For LED 0, unsubdivide until it corresponds to level 3 subdivision of original model. For LED 1, unsubdivide until level 2, and level 1 for LED 2. Now that we have LED meshes, we can proceed to baking. By baking normals on original mesh for different levels of subdivision, we may get unwanted artifacts. And exactly to prevent that, we need LED meshes. With them, we can bake normals on their base level, which preventing artifacts on bake. Now, if we bake normals on LED 0 mesh, we can see that it's baked much cleaner, and artifacts that we seen earlier is gone. We can now save this texture. Keep in mind that you need to bake and save it as non-color image. Now, we can continue baking normals from multi-resolution for other LEDs. Now, when baking from multi-resolution is done, we can combine normals with a bump map and bake them into final normal maps. Make sure that loaded normal map is in non-color mode. Then, create normal map node, connect texture to color, and connect normal map to normal input of bump node. Then, create diffuse BSDF node, connect converter to color, and bake from diffuse. Again, make sure that image texture node set to non-color. After baking is done, save the image with a different name and repeat the process for other LEDs. And now baking is done and we can proceed to shader assembly.